Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super exciting video because this video is, I guess, technically sponsored by Hush. They aren't paying me to make this video, but they sent me all the products that I'm going to be talking about in this video, and I'm just going to be reviewing them for you. Even though they did send them to me, all of my opinions are going to be 100% honest. I am not doing this video because they sent me these things for free. When they reached out to me and said, hey, can we send you, a few of our products and like you talk about them on your channel, I was so excited because Hush is a discounted makeup product website. And a lot of people might have mixed emotions about this kind of thing. Like, I know a lot of people think it's wrong that a brand can, come out with the same packaging, the same colors, the same scheme of the palette that they are trying to recreate. A lot of people think that's not very fair because the brand that they're like ripping off, like it's their idea and it's like originally their product. But for someone who, can't afford a lot of makeup, like, I mean, I'm not poor, but I definitely don't have like $50 to go drop on a palette. If I do, it's like because I've saved my money. Like, I can't just go to Sephora and drop like hundreds of dollars. Like, I'm not in that kind of situation in my life. So the fact that Hush carries makeup products that are like 10, 12, $24, and they're replicas basically of a higher end product, like, I think that's freaking awesome because there are so many people that can't afford expensive makeup, but like they still have a passion for makeup, and they want to be able to recreate looks that YouTubers do, but they just don't have the money to go spend on the products that they're using. So personally, I think it's freaking awesome. I understand that you're like ripping off a brand, you're taking their original idea, but it's a fact that like no ideas are original. Like, everybody is inspired by something. Absolutely no ideas are original. I honestly 100% am for, discounted makeup. So I was very excited when they reached out to me, and they sent me they sent me 5 eyeshadow palettes and 2 highlighter palettes that I'm going to be talking about today. I was so excited when I got my package in the mail that I did dig into some of them, and I did swatch some of the colors in the palettes, but I have not used them. I was just feeling and touching because I was so excited. So yeah, I'm going to do a separate video on like a look using, one of these palettes. So in the comments of this video, comment me which one you want to see, like what palette you would like to see me do like a makeup look with, because I'm gonna do like one like main review on one of the palettes. Like, I'm gonna use it on my eyes, test the blendability, the fallout, what colors look good with what. Like, I'm just gonna play around with one of them. So comment me in this video what palette you guys would want me to do a look with. I got my makeup wipes because we're gonna be doing a lot of swatching in this video. So yeah, I guess we can just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first off, I just want to say the way that these products came, they were super secure. All of them were in their own little like bubble wrap things like this, and then they were all wrapped together. So it was super sturdy the way that it came. My order, when it said that it shipped, it took like a couple days to get here. Like, it was honestly like really quick process for delivery. So yeah, they were delivered really nicely, packaged really well, which is great for a brand like Hush, because they're discounted. So the fact that they actually do care about the quality of the packaging is really nice. First off, I just want to say, like, Hush is just a website. It's just like an app that carries the brands. They carry, like, this one is by Face Candy, and then there's some in there that are from Bad Habit. So those are the people that make them, and Hush just carries the products and like sells them on there. So I guess first we'll go ahead and talk about the highlighter palettes, and both of these are a mermaid and a unicorn. And I have seen so many people talk about how they're done with like mermaid and unicorn, and I'm kind of there, but like I never really was on the mermaid and unicorn bandwagon, I guess. So I don't really mind it because like I'm not like over it, I don't own anything that's unicorn or mermaid. So to have these in my collection is pretty cool. So first, I guess we'll just go ahead and talk about the unicorn palette. They did send me an invoice, and I'll go ahead and just tell you the prices of these. The Unicorn Glow highlighter palette is $12, and it comes in a little box like this, and then the packaging is seriously so freaking cool. Like the holographic, it's pretty awesome. This was $12, and you do get 6 colors, and then it comes with like one of these on the inside. Okay, so you do get 6 colors. Yes, you can tell that I've swatched a couple of them. Yes, these colors are not very wearable for like an everyday thing, but like summer's coming up, and like who doesn't, you know, like want to have fun with their stuff like in the summertime, because hello. So yeah, you have a green one. This is called Wonder, Dream, Stardust, Celestial, whatever, Enchanted, and Fancy. And honestly, like when I saw the purple one, like you can tell that I've swatched the purple one and the blue one. Those two like caught my attention for some reason. I don't know. But these, seriously, when you swatch them, they seriously feel like butter. And look at that. They're so freaking pigmented that I don't even like know what to do. And then this white one, are you kidding me right now? Look how freaking pigmented those are. Like, and it's $12. Like these obviously, definitely like dupe like the Anastasia Glow Kits. But I dipped them in Barely. Look at that. That is insane how freaking pigmented they are. Like that white one right there in the center. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. And honestly, this green one kind of comes off like a gold green. So like I feel like you could definitely get away with wearing that on like an everyday basis. And I don't have anything like this in my collection. I just dropped it. I mean, honestly, for $12, that's insane that it's $12 and it's that pigmented. And they come with like really good sized mirrors in there, which I mean, it's a pretty good mirror. You get 6 highlight shades, a mirror, and like the packaging is like cardboard. It's thick, it's sturdy, it's heavy. Like $12, are you kidding me? Yes. Okay, and the next one is the same thing, except for it's the Mermaid highlight collection instead of the Unicorn. And these are both by Face Candy, by the way. You get 6 colors. You get one of these on the inside. These are more like pastel kind of colors, I guess. They're definitely lighter. I don't know why like the purple blue colors are like drawing my attention so much, but they just did. So again, you get like a really big mirror. You get 4 shades, and this one is $12 as well. Look at that. How freaking pigmented those are. Like, that's insane. Like, they're so freaking pigmented, and they're $12. Like, it just blows my mind at the fact that someone like Anastasia, or you know, anyone that has like highlighter palettes or even eyeshadow palettes, like how they make their products so expensive, and then brands like this, you know, come in the game and like drop a palette that's like identical. Some things are even more pigmented, but it's like half the price. What are you really doing? Like, if you have the money to go out and buy the Anastasia Glow Kits, go right ahead. But I'm saying, if you don't and you're a girl balling on a budget, which there's a lot of us that are, this is totally worth the $12. I would totally recommend this. So yeah, if you're looking for a good dupe, Face Candy, Mermaid Glow, and Unicorn Glow palettes, definitely worth it. Okay, so now let's move on to my favorite part. Obviously, I was way excited about the eyeshadow palettes. Who wouldn't be? Okay, so I guess the first 2 eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to talk about are the Aphrodite, maybe that's how you say it, and the Athena palettes. These are both like dupes for the Huda Beauty palettes. I'm not like a huge Huda Beauty fan. Like, I love her, but like I've never gotten any of her palettes because, for one, they're just expensive, and I just, you know, I stick to like my Morphe stuff because it's cheaper and, you know, it's good quality. But this is super cheap. Once again, it came in this, and then it just comes in the box. Like, the box is to die for. Black and gold, I'm all about it. These are from Bad Habit, not Face Candy. So these also come with these little things on the inside. And I swatched a couple of these too. I'm sorry, like that one I just had to. I think, you know what, I'm not even sure. I'm not even going to tell you what dupe this is. If you're like a Huda Beauty lover, then you're going to know what palette this is a dupe for. I just know that it is a dupe for the Huda Beauty palettes. You get 18 colors in here, and this retails on Hush for $12 as well. So you get 18 eyeshadows in here for $12. I'm going to say that again. You get 18 eyeshadows for $12. That's less than $1 in eyeshadow. That's insane. And the mirror that you get and like the packaging, it's just so sturdy. And like you could travel with these, they're tiny. Like this can literally fit in my purse. Like look at it compared to my head. Like it's small. Swatch 2 of the shimmers. I think I'm gonna do Romance and Lust. The quality of these eyeshadows for the price is insane. So I'm just gonna rub these once on my hand. That was one swipe. If someone like Bad Habit can come in here and drop this on the market for $12, that's my sister probably, for $12 and they're this pigmented, then like you can do better, you know? So I'm not going to say all of these are good. There could be hit and misses. Just let me know in the comments if you guys want me to review this one. I'm going to do one of the highlighter palettes and then one of these eyeshadow palettes. Or you know, I could mix and match and do a couple of from each. But I don't know, you guys let me know what you want to see. So yeah, Asian eyeshadows for $12. You get a mirror. The packaging is nice. Like it's sleek. It's simple. Love it. And then this is the Athena palette. This is another dupe for Huda Beauty palette. It's got this on the inside. Of course, I went to this one immediately when I opened it. This is like a pressed glitter, not a shimmer. And I've never had a pressed glitter in a palette before, so I'm super excited about that. But this palette is just so aesthetically pleasing. Like, sorry, I wasn't even in the frame. I am so excited to use this for the spring and summer. So I think I'm going to swatch Velour, which is like that peach color. I think I'm going to swatch Justice, maybe? Sorry about that. That was my sister calling. Okay, so I'm swatching Velour, Justice, which are two matte purple and pinks. And then I think I want to swatch Gleam and Epic. About the two purple ones that I'm excited to use. That's insane how pigmented these are. I keep saying that, but it's just, it is. It's really insane. That purple one is actually a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. Look at those. Oh, I'm seriously so excited to use this color. I'm going to swatch that one a little better. I'm so excited to use that. It's like a red, I don't know, you can definitely tell that it's duochrome. I'm so excited to use that color, guys. You just don't even know. And this glitter, I'm definitely gonna have to get a glitter glue before I use that, but that is the Athena palette. I'm sure you've seen this one a lot because in some of the videos that I've seen, this one is in a lot of them. This is the Retro Love by Bad Habit. It's a dupe, or like it's mimicked after the Subculture palette. And this has 14 colors in it, and this one retails for $10, I think. Yes, this one retails for $10, and it's got 14 eyeshadows in it. This one is probably one of my favorites, just because these colors, just like I love earth-toned colors, and that's what this palette is all about. So these colors like speak to my soul. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these for you. I'm swatching Mod, Rock and Roll, Nostalgia, and Fab. What? Are you kidding? That. Are you kidding? I mean, the purple, the dark purple looks a little patchy, Nostalgia, but arm swatches are kind of hard to do. So, I mean, for $10, you can't beat that. Like, you actually can't beat that. 14 eyeshadows for $10. The Retro palette comes with a mirror. It's just like the Anastasia Subculture. It's like the same shape, except for it's not velvet, it's a cardboard. So yeah, really, really good packaging. And then the last two palettes I have to talk about, they come as a, well, I got them as a set. These come in the little bubble wraps as well. I got them as a set. These are the Amazonia and Sahara palettes, both by Face Candy. They came as like together. They were for $20, so I'm assuming each of them are 10. If you were to get them separate, I don't know if you can get them separate. I'm not sure what these are dupes for. I'm gonna have everything listed in the bottom bar, like what the name of it is, how much it, what the name of it is, and like what it's a dupe for. And these are the last two palettes. They both have 14 eyeshadows, $10 a piece. Really decent sized mirrors in there. I mean, I'm not gonna swatch any of these for you, just because my camera's about to die, but this is what they look like. Really, really good packaging, cardboard, good mirrors, $10, 14 eyeshadows, you can't beat it. So that is everything that Hush sent me to review. All in all, I think all of these palettes are great. All of them, the highlighter palettes, the eyeshadow palettes, they all have great quality. They have an amazing price point. The price is right. I just don't understand why people make such a big deal out of the fact that they have cheap eyeshadows. Like, girls gotta do what girls gotta do. Like I said, you ballin' on a budget. All of these palettes that I talked about are great dupes for any of the high-end palettes that they are meant to be duping. So yeah, I think that is all for this video. I just want to thank Hush again for sending me all of these palettes. I thank you guys a million. I am so excited to have this opportunity, and hopefully I will be doing more videos like this in the future. But yeah, in the comments, let me know what palette you would like to see me use in my next video, and I can definitely do a look on any of these palettes for you guys. So let me know which one you would want to see, and make sure you comment, like, subscribe. I've told you to comment 17 times, so if you don't, I'm gonna be really upset. Yeah, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, because who would want to miss my videos, honestly? All right, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.